Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your internet speed on PC and Android. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, open any browser on your PC. Type speed test in the search bar and search for it. You will find a lot of results related to your search. Here, I'm using speed test by Ookla to check my internet speed. On the interface of the Ookla speed test, you will find name of your internet provider and server. Click on Go to run the speed test. Firstly, download speed will be tested, and later, upload speed will be tested. After the completion of test, you will see the ping, download speed, and upload speed of your internet connection on the results page. This is how internet speed is checked on PC. Open Play Store on your Android mobile. Search for speed test, and there, you will find speed test by Ookla application. Install the application on your Android device. After the completion of installation process, tap on Open, and allow all the permissions. Then, you will find an interface where you will see the names of your internet provider and server. Tap on Go to start the internet speed test. Firstly, a test will run to determine the download speed. Later, upload speed will be determined. After the completion of test, you are redirected to the results page. On that page, you will see the ping, download speed, and upload speed of your internet connection. This is how internet speed is tested on an Android device. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.